Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Brown color, red color, green color, pink color, black color, yellow color, gold color, orange color, silver color. First, A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for cake. D for dog, D for dolphin. Orange color, E for elephant, E for egg. Orange color, F for fish, F for football. Orange color, Z for grass, Z for green. H for horse, H for house. Red color, I for igloo, I for ice cream. J for juice, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for kangaroo. L for light, L for Lamborghini. Brown color, M for mango, M for monkey. Brown color, N for next, N for necklace. Brown color, O for owl, O for octopus. Brown color, P for parrot, P for pest. Green color, Q for queen, Q for quilt. Green color, R for rat, R for rain. Green color, S for strawberry, S for sun. Green color, T for tiger, T for telephone. Pink color, U for umbrella. Pink color, V for vase, V for vehicle. Pink color, W for watermelon, W for window. Pink color, X for X-ray. Yellow color, Y for yak, Y for yarn. Yellow color, Z for zero, Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you.